Hello! Today we will show another new feature of Appsero called Bundle Product. To add a bundle product, you have to have one plugin or theme for multiple plugins or themes. You can do this in the Plugin Themes section or by clicking on the drop-down list of the Add New button where you can also add a bundle product. Let's show how to add a bundle. Begin by setting a bundle name. Now, select one or more products which is a plugin you installed previously. Then, select a variation. We selected the Pro version. Now, hit Next to proceed. Now click on the Yes button to let Appsero manage the bundle's licensing. Now click on a platform you are using currently, but in our case, we want Appsero to be our platform. You will need to create a new product on the relevant selling platform and map that new product with Appsero to get started. For example, for EDD or WooCommerce, you would need to create a product from WordPress dashboard. For Gumroad or FastSpring or Paddle, you can create the product from the platform's dashboard. For example, let's go for WooCommerce. Then choose Appsero for the licensing if you want. Now select the address of your site that includes the Appsero Helper plugin with the API key. This is how the Appsero Helper will look like once you install it on your site. Now let's create a new product because as we have mentioned before, you have to create a new bundle product from the back end if you use anything other than FastSpring. As you can see, we have already created a bundle for Appsero before. You can refresh this section for any updates to your bundle. As you can see, we already have the product made before. Let's say you want to create a new bundle if you want. Hit Add New to set the name of the bundle. Mark the options for virtual and downloadable. Then, upload the bundle file and set the price. Once you are done, the product will display here in the drop-down list. Now let's use the existing product and hit Next. You will see your bundle product has been added. Let's see if it works. Visit the front end of your WordPress site. You will see your Appsero bundle product. If you click on it, you will be able to add it to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Once the order is received, you will receive an email with your downloadable bundle as well as the license. Let's check this from the Appsero dashboard. So here is our bundle product project. Now go to the license section and you will see the activated license from the back end. If you go to orders under the sales option, you will see the sales of your Appsero bundle product. And that's it! Check out Appsero for more videos on managing your WordPress plugins or themes. Also, contact us for more information and subscribe to our channel.